I'm going to show you Bang Saen, which is arguably the closest beach to Bangkok. It's about an hour's drive from Bangkok, and we've never been there before, so we're in for a surprise too.
On my way down memory lane, you and me long time ago, and we were teens with tremendous dreams, always playing king and queen. We had set our minds to leave.
We arrived at our destination in Bang Saen. This is our hotel. It's a cheap little Thai-style hotel. So yeah, let's go see what this is going to be like. We are trying to check in, but there's nobody here at the check-in counter. Lots of people are coming and going, but no staff members. So we're trying to call them to ask them to come and help us check in.
And then we cross America.
We are on the 4th floor. There is no elevator here. After a bit of a bumpy check-in, we got to our room. This is room 427, and it actually looks really modern inside compared to what it looks like outside. There are plenty of cupboards over here. Gosh, you can really easily stay like for a month. You've got a nice big bed. They even have a bit of a mini bar. I wonder how much these are. I don't think they're complimentary. We've got probably one of the smallest TVs I've seen in a hotel room ever. This must be, I don't know, 20 inch or something. Decent size refrigerator, and then this is the bathroom. So the bathroom, we've got a toilet over here, we've got a hand shower over here, and there's a basin over here. All very basic. And we even have a little balcony. This is our little balcony. For 500 Thai baht, this is really not bad at all. It's super neat, it's very clean. Definitely one of the better cheap hotel rooms we've had. So when you arrive here, don't judge the place from the outside. The rooms are actually quite nice. Another really helpful thing is that you don't need to put your key card into this little device by the door to make sure that the power stays on, like you do at most places. So that's great. That means that you can easily charge your devices while you go outside to the beach. We are not wasting any time getting to the beach. We literally just unpacked our bags and we are now on our way to the beach. They say it's about a 15-minute walk. We're leaving the car here and taking a stroll so we can see what's here in this area. Looks like there are some pretty cool places here. This is house number 9, DSP. Teaspoon, maybe? Good old 7-Eleven, always providing us with some refreshments. We found this awesome little Vietnamese restaurant called Bang Saen, and they've got some really nice food here. I can't wait to dig in. So we're gonna have one of these over here, and we're gonna have one of these over here. But the restaurant is nice and clean. It's right on what seems to be like the main road leading down to the beach.
Hello! See you!
You won't believe this. It turns out that today is the first day of opening. It's the first day of business. We were just lucky to stumble upon this place today. There's even a really snazzy tattoo shop right next to this restaurant, so you can come have a tattoo while you wait for your food. My food looks very, very good. This is called, if my Thai doesn't let me down, this is called Khai Kratai. My food is really good. I did not intend on ordering breakfast, but this is actually quite a nice breakfast meal with a fried egg and a roll. We've only been here in Bang Saen for a few minutes and already I'm quite impressed. There seems to be a couple of trendy places and the aromas as you walk past these places, that's also really good. And I have a strong suspicion it's only going to get better as the evening approaches. I think we are learning something new today. We see a lot of people making merit, like major merit, putting out food and drink, and we're not sure why. Today is Mother's Day, so it can only be for that, I guess, but we've never seen it before that people go so all out for Mother's Day. Coincidentally, if you don't know, in Thailand, Mother's Day coincides with the birthday of Her Majesty the Queen. And this is what we came for. Not the terribly low tide over here, but the ocean way over there. But it seems like high tide brings the water right up to where I'm standing right now, so it's gonna get better.
Have this feeling, haven't felt for so long. Took a hold of me and won't let go. I've been sleeping.
The life. We heard about this place many times. Ooh, candy floss. We heard about this place many times before because it's apparently very popular with the Thai people, the Bangkokians, because it's relatively close to Bangkok. And yeah, I'm quite impressed so far. I'm surprised by the restaurants. The beach seems okay, considering that it's so close to Bangkok. And yeah, nice place to chill. Exactly just what the doctor ordered.
Only a shot away from me to be my everything. You are only a shot away from me to be my everything. 'Cause you are only a shot away from me to be my everything. Shot away.
I already had a foot massage and a little nap here right on the beach, and I see the tide is busy coming in too. I've just been for my first swim in Bang Saen, and the water is really good temperature wise. It's not exactly the nice blue turquoise kind of pictures you see on the internet, very brown, but it is quite windy, so I suppose that's why. Also the tide's coming in, so there's quite a bit of pollution, plastic and stuff lying around. It would be nice if they actually were to send like a team up and down the beach to clean up this mess.
I know I'm dealing with the devil, but I'm standing with my heart in your hand, and I'm too deep into in this gamble. Going towards you, and I cannot fight it. My head's underwater, I try to disguise it. Want you to hold me, though we haven't spoken. I need that something to get me open. You are only a shot away from me to be.
There is a very big difference between high tide and low tide. Earlier our seats were right here, and this is where the water is now. We actually had to remove our seats and move back a little bit. I'm not gonna lie to you, that beach was not very nice. The water was great though, like temperature wise, but there's a lot of pollution there. We're on our way back to our hotel, but we're gonna make a stop at this amazing place. This is Texas chicken, kind of like KFC, but they have this chicken called tamarind chicken. It's so good. So we're gonna get that and go back to our hotel and go and rest, I guess, and maybe come out later tonight.
Caught me off my guard, 'cause you're in my space and now